you're in your Gmail, you should see your Google Plus right here, and that's Hangouts. You click on that and you should get to this screen that you see here. And you have your tools and your profile and several other tools along the side. You've got Hangouts right there. You also have Start a Hangout over here in the top right corner. And that's the way we start a Hangout. Now, one way to think about Hangouts too is it's asking what people you want to hang out with. And you can create, if you look up here, these are the little circles of friends and family that I've created. So I actually have one called ETC, Educational Technology Center, with myself, Emily, and Tammy in it. I think maybe Casey Long. But you can create any kind of group. So when you, for your class, you could create your astronomy class or your English class and put everyone in that. So when you're going to have a hangout, you email that to them so they can click on a link to get to your hangout. For the student, it's fairly easy. They just go to their email and click on it. So let's start a hangout. We're going to click here, start a hangout. This comes up. I'm going to add names, and in here I'm going to go to the ETC, which I have 4 people in there. I'm going to name this hangout Big Time. And then right here, if I want to record this and broadcast or broadcast it live, I click on Enable Hangouts on Air. I just check here. You'll get a little pop-up box. Hangouts on Air will use your YouTube channel. You click OK, got it. And then you can also see here people that are actually online. If they have a little green dot, meaning they're online, and you can invite them individually to the Hangout. But we want to invite the class to the Hangout. So we're going to click on Hangout here. And now we are here in the Hangout. Now, one thing to know too, you see this link right up here at the top, the URL. You can copy that and send it to people, and they can see this live stream on YouTube when the broadcast starts. You can also go over here. If you're web savvy, you can click on this embed here, and there's an embed code that if you know how to edit a web page, you can put this in your web page, and it'll stream from a web page like calvinbergamy.com/webcast.html. I put that in there, and the people can go and see my brand on there. So we're not going to do that right now. We're not going to embed that. You also see the list of tools here. I can invite more people at this point. I can share my screen. I can, with the cameraman, I can mute people and etc. In YouTube, now this is where if you have videos you want to show the class, this is where you'll want to go first. You'll click on YouTube, and here you could go click OK, and then add videos to the playlist. You just search for certain criteria or things that you've got on your YouTube channel, and click here, add that to the click back to remove that. And so you can put several videos here on the playlist. The thing I found though within Google Hangouts is it doesn't keep those. Each class you have to set up your playlist before the class, before you start broadcasting. So I've got this here, and then I just click on the YouTube link to get back to my live broadcast. Click on the YouTube button, and there's my video right here to play. Right now it's sitting here, and I could add several videos to it. Now the thing to know about the broadcast though is it will broadcast those video playlists live. It will not record them. So it'll only record what we're seeing here on the screen, this little chat we're having. So I'm going to click on Start Broadcast, and then you just say OK. It'll be aired publicly. It'll start giving you a little countdown, 8, 7, 6. So don't start your chat too soon, or the people out there that are watching it live. Okay. So it's now posting this broadcast to the public. You can, of course, see at the bottom who all is logged in. You'll want to wait till everybody's logged in order for this to proceed. Actually, it just now started. It said broadcast is live. So it took a few more seconds extra than even I thought. Okay, so as people show up down here, you can see that if I put my cursor, I can mute people and also hide the person from the broadcast, etc. The great thing about this live broadcast is that if you have more than 9 students in your broadcast, they can at least watch. They won't be able to interact, but you might have some way of, if you had, say, 15 people in the class, you could have 5 people change off and give everybody a chance for this one particular broadcast. Okay, so when you end the broadcast, it'll leave that recording of the broadcast online. Okay, so those are the basics of it. Just remember, I think, just to this is the URL of which you can copy and paste to send to people who are not participating in the people you have not invited. That way people can go and see the live broadcast. So I'm going to click here to end broadcast. This broadcast has been successfully terminated, and so I can go to my YouTube site, and Big Time Test should be there. I will go to my YouTube channel and see if it's there. I'm going to go to my channel, my video manager. There's Big Time right there, so I could play it, do some editing on the verbiage, or just trash it. That's it.